Okay, so in the previous video we have seen about how to add doors and windows in our project. Now in this video we are going to see about how to add floors in our project. Okay, so first of all I will be go to the level 1 and here there is option of floor. I want to use floor command and by default here the type is generic 12 inches. So I want to go to the edit type and click on duplicate, and let us we want to use 6-inch thick slab on grid, and let us we will go to structure edit, thickness 6-inch, and material that has been used, that is concrete, cast in place gray. So you just type CONC, so it is display concrete cast in place gray. Click OK. Again click OK. Again click OK. And now let us we will add the floor inside of this wall. So click inside face of the wall. And now once you will be select all the faces, click on finish. Notice that the floor has been created. Make sure your lines should be in a closed form. If your lines will be open, the floor will not be created. Let's say for example, if I will be go to the floor command, let us say if I will be use selected the line like this. Now here my line has been little bit open, but I don't know that line has been open. So when I will be click on finish, notice that Revit will be gives you the warning. Lines must be in a closed loops. So make sure your lines should be in a closed loops. So now if I will go to the 3D view, notice that we have created one floor. Here it is display something like different, but don't worry, in the structure chapter we will add the structural foundation. So this one will be take care in that portion as well. Now let us we will go to the level 2 and here we will add the floor. So click on floor. Let us we will create a one more type, edit type, duplicate, and let us we will use slab on metal deck. Go to structure, edit. Right now thickness is 5 inches. Okay, so let us we will change the thickness 5 inches and let us we will use now in the floor we want to explore some more options. So if I will be click on layer number 3 and click on insert, so I can insert one floor, right? I can also one layer. I can also up and down this level as well. Okay, so third number, and let us we will use the type that is structural deck. So notice that structural deck has been added at here. Let us we will use this above the core boundary. Similarly, I will be click on number 1 and click on insert, and let us we will use subtract layer, apply the material, plywood sheeting. Okay, and let us we will use the thickness half inches. Similarly, I want to add one more layer, that is finishing layer. Finishing and the material is tiles. So I can type tile mosaic gray. Obviously you can use any one of the material from the list, or you can also create your own type of the material. Thickness is half inches. So total is 6 inches. As you can see, total thickness is 6 inches. So 5 inches plus half plus half. Now click on OK. Again click on OK. And now just pick, before that make sure you use detail level to the fine and pick all the center of the wall. Now don't pick this curved wall. We will draw the one line from here to here. And now we will finish. Very most important. Would you like to attach this wall? Always say yes. We want to attach. And one more, another dialog box. The floor roof overlaps the highlighted wall. So would you like to cut the geometry? Always say yes. So now if you will go to 3D view, as you can see, this is your floor has been created. Now let us, we will copy paste this floor. So I will be select this floor and clicking on copy to clipboard, paste to selected level, and let us, we will paste to the level 3, 4 and 5 and click OK. Now notice when you will be copy paste the floor, the geometry will not be cut. As you can see here, the geometry is not cutting. Here as you can see, the geometry has been cut, wall has been cut. So what I can do, I can just simply select this floor, edit boundary and finish and say yes, attach, yes. Similarly, repeat the same steps for this floor, edit boundary, finish, yes. Select the floor, edit boundary, finish, yes. So this is how you will be create the floor in your project. Obviously you want to create a balcony, you can also create the balcony as well. That's the same concept, floor command, and you can use pick wall, and let's say this is your pick wall, and from here let's say I want to go about 7 feet, and from here also 7 feet. And let us say I want to use the arc shape. So first point, second point, and create the arc like this and finish. 3D view. Notice that your balcony has been created like this. Now in the 3D view, if you want to orbit your model, press the shift and middle mouse button to orbit your model. Scroll bar up and down, that is zoom in, zoom out, and shift and scroll bar and roll your mouse to orbit the model. Now in this video we have seen about creating the floor. Now if I will be go to the level 2 view, and let's say if I want to cut a one section, so draw the section line, select the section, right click, go to view. Notice that the section of the building is now displayed. And this is the most important thing. We have added the deck to the floor, so that the deck of the floor is also now displayed at each and every level. Okay. So now let us, we will meet on the next video with creating the rooms inside the building.